Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. This will be Ryzen 5900X build along with 3060 Ti. The total cost for this build is 2,10,000 rupees, which also includes a 2K monitor from Aorus, and this is a really nice monitor. Do consider for yourself. It is around 33,000 rupees. I'm using myself, and that's because I'm recommending you. So let's begin with the PC parts, and then we will assemble the PC. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. I've shared both Amazon and our website links so you can compare the prices, and if you have any questions, do let us know in the comment box. I would love to answer them, or you can contact our sales team on our website techmartunbox.com. contact us page. Email ID, phone number and chat options are there. Make sure to subscribe our channel as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. So starting with the processor, as I have mentioned, we will be using Ryzen 9 5900X. This is a really nice processor to start with if you are a content creator, streaming or even gaming. So this is what we have for the processor. For the motherboard, we have got MSI X570 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, and this also has a Type-C option. For the cabinet, as we are using a cabinet that has a Type-C port on the top, I will discuss it in the video. So this is what we're gonna use for the motherboard. For the RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws. This is 3600 MHz, 16x2, and this is what we're gonna use for the RAM. For the SSD, we have got WD Black. This is SN750SE. This is around 8,000 rupees, 8,300 rupees. This is Gen 4, 3600 read, 2860 write, and this is what we have for SSD. This is value for money. If you wish to spend more, SN850 does have more write and read speed, but that is around 15,000 rupees. So for 83, this is a really good deal. For Gen 4 and 3600 would be pretty decent enough for this build. The read speed and write speed is enough. For the cooler, we are going with Arctic cooler. This is Liquid Freezer 2360. This is non-RGB and around for 9,000 rupees. Customer is not looking for a RGB build. This should be non-RGB total. So everything which has been selected is to be considered as non-RGB. So this is what we have. If you wish to take a RGB version for this option, that the same cooler, that is around 1,015 or 2,000 rupees more for the RGB version. So yeah, this is what we have for the cooler. For the graphic card, we have got colorful 3060 Ti, and this is what we have for this build. For the power supply, we have got DQ750. This has 10-year warranty, and this is 80 plus gold power supply, and this is what we're gonna use for this build. For the cabinet, we have got CL500. This is from Deepcool. This is a really value for money. This doesn't come with a pre-installed fan. It has only one fan in the rear, which is non-RGB, and no fan in the front. The price is around 5,000 rupees. So this is a great deal with a Type-C on the top, also 3.0 on the top. That's got two USB 3.0, one Type-C. Also the build quality is very premium. At around 5,000 rupees, you won't see such a great premium cabinet which has Type-C and build quality. We will be installing this cooler in the front, and this fan will be utilized for the build. And yes, we are also adding a genuine Windows key, which is for 699 rupees from cheapokeys.com. You can also consider buying a genuine keys from this website. So that's about the component which we're gonna use for this today's build. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website are there, so do consider checking them out for latest price. So now let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. Alright, we're done with the PC build and this is performing well. The only thing which I didn't like about the cooler, first the installation is very pathetic. I don't know why the Arctic has given so complicated brackets to install, although tech savvy will able to do it, but if in case you are building it for the first time or you're going with a liquid cooler for the first time, it would be a very tough job to install this one. Anyways, it is not that super hard, but the performance is also not that superb that Arctic you should consider. First, it is using a daisy chain for the fans, so all the 3 fans including the pump are run by the PWM of CPU. I don't know how will it able to manage so much of current running all the fans through only PWM of the CPU. So this is one I am about dicey about the product. I hope Arctic has done some research, that's because they are doing it. And about yeah, so the only thing I didn't recommend the cooler to the customer has came up with some idea that this cooler performs really well, so I said okay, if you want it, we are here to give it to you. Instead of this, if you really wanted to go with other cooler, go with a deep cool 6000 rupees cooler. That would be more than enough if you don't want to overclock. And if in case you want 360mm cooler, I would recommend to go with NZXT. That is around 17,000 rupees. But again, if you want 360 cooler, that means you want to overclock, that means you wanted to get the best performance, so NZXT is what you should consider. And if you don't want to overclock, putting this kind of cooler doesn't make any sense. Save your money, go with 240mm, maybe NZXT, maybe deep cool, maybe whatever brand you prefer, that would be sufficient. So this is only one thing I would like to tell you. I don't recommend this cooler at all for no use. And this is all about the video. Also, everything is great and working absolutely flawless. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Stay happy and stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video.